Hello and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to import and export a product in ShopFunnels. Let's start. As you can see, this is my admin login page. Click Login. On the left sidebar, click Products. Then, under Products, click on Products. Then choose your store. I'll choose my store, Watches. On the top right side, you will see here Export Products, Import Products, and Import Products from Shopify. First, I will show you Export Products. You can see here I have a lot of products. I want to export these products and share them with other people. I can also export these products to import in my other ShopFunnels site. Click Export Products. It will take some time to export the product. I have successfully exported the product. Let me check my file. I'll just go to my folder. This is my file here. Let me open this file using LibreOffice. If you have a Microsoft Excel, you can also open this file using that software. I will be using LibreOffice since I do not have Microsoft Excel. This is the same as Microsoft Excel. It will take some time to open these files. As you can see, these are my ShopFunnels products in the CSV file. If you have your own product CSV file like this and you want to import your products in ShopFunnels, then in another video you will find how you will create your own CSV file as the ShopFunnels product CSV file. I will show you that in the next video. But in this video, I will only show you how you can import and export the products. Let's proceed. Here, you can see this is the media, and this is the product URL. And here, currency symbol, price, cost per item, tax, SKU, barcode, and everything that is needed to make the products. Now, let me show you how you can import a product. This is my ShopFunnels installation. This time, let me choose another store, Time Store. In here, I want to import a product. So I'll just click here, Import a Product. Then I just choose the file. This is the product CSV, so I'll just click here. After that, click here, Import. It will take some time to import all the products. I have successfully imported the product. And after that, when you import the product, by default, all products are inactive. You will have to activate them one by one. I'll just click here, Edit Product Detail. And after that, you can just activate this product. You have to select Product in the Select Default Product page. You can make any changes. For example, if you want to add a description, you can add one here. If you want to change the title, image, you can change the image of the product variant. You can also change price, quantity, and add anything you would like to add. You can also change the product type, collections, and tags. And after that, save the setup. And after that, save the setup if you're happy with your changes. You can also add your product variant. For example, I'll just click here, Edit. Now I can edit the product variant. You can add the title if you want. Add a description, media, price, compare at price, active status, and everything else. So this is how you can import a product. Now, let me show you how you can import the Shopify products CSV file. As you can see, this is my Shopify products CSV file. This is handle, title, body, standardized product type, custom product type, tags, and every field that Shopify provides. Let me show you how to import the Shopify products CSV list. Click on Import Products from Shopify. Click on Choose File. This is the Product Export Shopify list. Click on this file. Then click Open. Then click Import. It will take some time to import the products. Here you can see I have successfully imported the products. You can see here Indian t-shirt. And if I click here, you can also see the same title here, Indian t-shirt. Jeans men's and kurta. And if I go here, you can see it here, jeans men's and kurta. This is how you can import products in ShopFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.